Hi everyone, welcome to Roll Out Savings. I'm Danielle and I'm here with your Dollar General Saturday Savings. These are your 5 off 25 deals, good for this Saturday, February 15th. I have our cheat sheet ready for you that will be up on our website, but before it's up on the website, I will have the link to print it out in this video. I will update this description box below with the link to the 5 off 25s on our website once that post is finished. But I wanted to get these deals and the cheat sheet out to you as soon as possible. So let's start with household. For $18.25, you're going to get your Tide, your Downy beads, and your Downy sheets. That will be $18.25. We do have the 5 off 30 coupon here. We also have the 5 off 25, and these are older coupons for the individual items, so if you still have those, this deal is going to be perfect for you. Our next deal is $12.90. You're going to get your large Gain liquid and the $9 size of the Gain flings. That will be $12.90. You're going to get those $9.95 flings for free. This next deal, you're going to get 4 of the Gain beads and the Gain Relax flings, and that will be $21.90. Our next deal, for $14.90, you're going to get 4 of the Gain beads, you're going to get the Gain sheets, and the $4.50 size of the Gain flings, and that will be $14.90. Up next, for $12.45, you are going to get your Airwick Essential Mist kit, the Scott Comfort Plus, the Scott Paper Towels, and the Dawn Easy Squeeze. That Comfort Plus is the $3.50 size. I'm sorry you can hear my dog howling. I don't know. He's got the zoomies. For $16.40, you're going to get your Persil, your Downy, your Scott Comfort Plus, the Scott Paper Towels, and 3 boxes of Kleenex. That will be $16.40, and that is the $3.50 size of the Comfort Plus. And next up, we have $13.95, 2 of the Scott Paper Towels, 2 of the Scott Comfort Plus, those are the $5 size, the Febreze Air, the Febreze Warmer, and the Cottonelle toilet paper. We do have instant savings on the Scott this week, so make sure you account for that in your deals. $11.75, you're going to get your Scott, your Persil, your Suavitel sheets, the Lysol laundry sanitizer, and Lysol Air, and that will be $11.75. Again, I apologize, my dog has the zoomies. I can't get him to stop. For $9.85, you're going to get your OGX shampoo and conditioner. You can mix and match on that. Your soft soap body wash and the Irish Springs body wash, and that would be $9.85. Our next deal is $13. You're going to get 2 of the Neutrogena makeup remover wipes, the Neutrogena acne patches, and the Fructis shampoo and conditioner. That will be $13. If you prefer to get just the shampoo, you can do that. If you want just the conditioner, you can do that as well. You can mix and match. For $11.75, we have the OGX shampoo conditioner, the Fructis shampoo and conditioner, and the Tylenol, and that will be $11.75. This next deal is $10.54. We have the OGX shampoo and conditioner, the Neutrogena Gentle Foaming Cleanser, and 2 of the Colgate Slim toothbrushes. These are marked down to $3.02 each, so keep that in mind if you're doing a deal with those. For $10.54, you're going to get your Whole Blend shampoo and conditioner, 2 of the soft soap body wash, and the ZzzQuil. Oh, I'm sorry, that is $10.35. That was my mistake there. So that's $10.35 on the soft soap, the Whole Blends, and the ZzzQuil. For $14.25, you're going to get 2 packs of Luvs, the Desitin diaper cream, and a Febreze plug. We are going to move into a couple grocery deals. So for this deal, for $16.50, you're going to get 4 Doritos, 5 of the Lipton tea, and 2 of the Dr. Pepper 6-packs. The Doritos are on sale. Buy 2, get 2 free. That's $9 for the 4 bags. You're going to get 5 of the Lipton tea. 4 of them will be $8, but you have to add $2.50 for the 5th one. Okay, so keep that in mind if you're doing the Lipton tea and you buy 5 of them. For $11.25, you're going to get 2 of the Mr. Clean liquids, the Jif, the Smuckers, some bread, a half gallon of milk, some eggs, and a Febreze warmer, and that will be $11.25. If you don't have the $4 size, add $2 for that $6 size. For $17, you're going to get your milk, your Lipton tea, there's 2 different kinds there, 2 of the General Mills cereal bars, and you're going to get the mini Doritos as well as some eggs, and that will be $17. And this deal here, for $15, you're going to get 4 Doritos, the Lipton tea 12-pack, the single Lipton tea, and 4 Progresso soups, and that will be $15. And that brings us to the end of our deals. I hope you enjoyed these deals. Help me wish Autumn a very happy birthday. Tomorrow, Valentine's Day, is her birthday, so we want to say happy birthday to her. And leave me a comment. Leave a comment. Wish Autumn happy birthday. Make sure you're subscribed and share so your friends can save as well. You can find us on all the places you see here, including rolloutsavings.com. I'll have everything linked below in the description for you. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with the next big deal. Bye, guys.